I would like to thank you, Mr. Yasu Watanabe. And this is the receipts where I bought the snacks for the kids. And this is for the learning materials and the toothbrush and the storybook and crayons, pencils, ball pen. And this is the total 1,387.25 centavos. And this is for the snacks. I bought for the snacks. It's a total of 2,434.75 cents. And also the one including for the other receipts, 337.50 cents. So, Mr. Yasu, I would send you the link, and maybe later on your friends, if your friends gonna see your project and also your relatives, maybe they are willing also to sponsor to Let's Share That TV. And I am very, very happy for this, and I would like to say many, many thank you and have a nice day.